Hello everyone, I am Janvi and today I am here with you to talk to you about our most important topic. If we say it's not important for us, but it's really important because some of the kids lose their marks, like the maximum marks they lose in this thing, and this is gap filling. Okay, this will not be a big gap filling. Okay, this is very simple for you because I have taken some options for it to do. That's why you will not feel that it's really typical for you. So let us start. First of all, what we are going to do, I hope you got it, that today we are going to do gap filling. Okay, so I will also give you some options for this, and we are having 4 exercise for it. Okay, so now let's start. First, it is saying that the list of it, yes, first it was a rainy day. Okay, it was a rainy day, it's raining. Okay, as you know, it's what a rainy day. The traffic dash busy on the road means the traffic dash busy on the road. If I give you some options, that is was or is, but what should be the answer? Give me the answer. Give me. If you think, if you guess, please don't guess that traffic is busy, traffic was busy. Don't guess like that. See the sentence, what they are saying. They are saying traffic dash busy on the road. Traffic, did we have only one traffic? Did we have only one car for the traffic? No, we are having maximum of the car, then this traffic form. What we will write now, you guess what is it. Okay, what the option I have given is was, is and are. Okay, so what should be the correct answer? Just tell me what should be the correct answer. I hope you must guess. The correct answer is was. Okay, so what should be the answer? The answer is was. Okay, clear? Really clear? Easy peasy? That's much clear. Okay, now next. It was a rainy day, traffic was busy on a road. Now second, a dash hit a car badly in the market. Okay, now a dash hit a car. What happened? A dash hit a car means something that hits the car. Okay, but what it can be? Let me write the options for you over here. Oh, it's black only, so how will I write? Is it clear now? No, I have to take blue only. Okay, now clear. See this, the answer is was. Okay, now the thing that we are talking about, a dash hit a car means somebody has hit the car. But what it is, did you know it? Did you know what is hitting that? No, you don't know. So what you will do, I am giving you an option, that is a speeded car means a speeded bus, you can say, or you can say, sorry, you can say the speeding bus. Okay, or these two options I am giving you. Okay, just do in this option. First is speeded bus, second is speeding bus. What you will do, a dash hit a car badly in the market. A dash hit a car. Think it. If you say a speeded bus hit the car, a speeding bus hit the car, what should be? Get it in your mind. Most of the children are like this. In this form, they are getting the past form, and most of the children they are getting the present form. Okay, but the thing is, it is in the constant tense, continuous tense, because they are continuing only. A dash car hit the car. What is the question that's saying? That a dash hit a car badly in the market. Matlab, they are saying that a car, anyone, a bus or anything, they hit the car. So it is like past. They are not saying that dash hit the car, that they are not saying like that. They are only saying a dash hit a car badly in the market. So the answer is speeding bus. Okay, what's the correct answer? The correct answer is speeding bus. Got that? Got that? What the answer is? This answer is speeding bus. Was, then speeding bus, the bus which is in the full speed. Okay, next sentence. 5 commuters were badly injured while one person dash on the spot. What? Dead, dies, or die. What should be the answer? Tell me. a 5 combatants were badly injured in that case. Okay, but while that one person dash on the spot. Say it's one person. Okay, remove this thing. Okay, this is not the point. These two are having. One person die or died. Say, I hope you guess the correct answer is died. Okay, one of the person died on the spot. Okay, easy peasy. I hope you understand. If not, it's just an exercise. Don't be like we are not getting to understand it. Okay, it's just a simple exercise. I'm going to tell you a brief introduction for this. Okay, I'm also giving you the intro. I will also try to give you an intro for this gap filling. Okay, this much is clear. So first exercise solved, really easy peasy. Next, for opening a bank AC, you dash to select a bank for your choice. Option are required. Second option is required. Give me the correct answer. What should be the correct answer for this? Anyone can give me? Okay, so the correct answer is are required. For opening a bank AC, you are required to select a bank of your choice. Okay, are required. Okay, second, you dash to visit the bank and contact the customer care officer there. You dash to visit the bank and contact to the customer care officer there. Okay, what you have to go and try to connect the customer care officer over there. Okay, what they are saying select a bank. Okay, we have done this thing. Now we are going to do the second thing. They are saying to visit the bank and contact to the customer care officer there. Options I am going to do. Need. Okay, not need. Either, nor, or need. Okay, either, nor, need. I am giving you just like a simple. I am giving you a simple option so that you are not able to confuse also. Give me the correct answer. What it should be? It should be need. Okay, the correct answer is need. Got that? Now forget this. Okay, now the second thing they are saying, I hope you will not get the question, but I don't have the, I have to reduce by that only. The correct answer is need. Okay, next thing, to visit the bank and contact the customer care officer there. This much is clear. We have completed A, B. Now we are going to do C. C saying there are, you should meet the concerned authority. You dash to submit the required document. You dash to submit the required document. You need, no, not need. I will not give you the need option. The option that I am going to give you is required. Okay, are required and is required. Clear? Options are clear. What should be the correct answer? You dash to submit the required documents. They are showing documents. Now just what should be the answer? I hope you guess the answer is what should be the answer? The answer is are required. Really, we have completed. Not that much hurry in that. Okay, we have completed. Now next thing, it's really simple. We have to do it quickly. Okay, and now this question, this is our third question. Just a second. This is our third question, and this is our fourth question. So this question is your homework question. Okay, this question is your homework question. This is your third question we are going to do now. Third question, they are saying shoes dash off dust with a brush. Shoes dash off dust with a brush. Cleaned is cleaned. Okay, then cleaned Next option is, but this option I am giving you is cleaned or cleaned. What should I answer? It's cleaned. Okay, the answer is cleaned. Okay, this is the answer. Now next thing, wait, you will get like what ma'am are saying, I am not getting that, then I am going to do, this is the answer. Okay, now clear? Now going to the next thing, what they are saying, the next option are, a layer of polish dash over the shoes, one should wait a little till the polish. One should wait a little till the polish dash, then shoes are brushed to shines. What should be the answer? First of all, we will complete the B option. In B option, I am having the option that is coated, is coated and are coated. Is coated, are coated, is coated, are coated, or coated. Give me the correct answer. The correct answer is, what should be the correct answer? Tell me. The correct answer is coated. Okay. What should be the correct answer? Let me choose another pen. The answer is coated. Okay, get it. Now next, one should wait little till the polish. What? Shock of leather, brushes and paints. What? They have to wait for the shocks of leathers. Okay, this is an easy peasy. In this you don't have to use the grammar. In this I didn't use any kind of grammar. I just take the options for you to be learned, and there is no grammar, my guys. Okay, next thing, fourth, this is your homework. Okay, this is your homework. If you ask them, please give us the options I am giving you. Last week the annual functions of our school dash. So the options that was going to be was celebrated, then is celebrated, then these two. Okay, or you can write the third option is celebrated. Was celebrated, is celebrated, or celebrated is your three options. Okay, and then B, the mayor of the towns to grace the occasion as the chief guest. Okay, now the options that are coming in your screen, they are invited, is invited, was invited. What is invited, was invited, or invited. Okay, getting it? Third question, the function that by the principal while the mayor, the chief guest, distributed the prize to the winner. Now the answer, not answer, I am going to tell you the options. The options are, was inaugurated. Okay, the options are, was inaugurated, then second is the function dash by the decorate or celebrate. Okay, options are was inaugurated, celebrate and decorate. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day. If you like this video, then like it. If you want more kinds of these videos, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and just drop a comment below that did you understand it. If not, then drop it in the comment section that I don't understand. Okay, I will quickly reply you. Okay, I will also try to make the video if you are getting any of the problem on that. But if you like it, if you are understanding anything, then put the thumbs up. Okay, thank you and have a nice day, then bye.